Hi everyone, Fanita here. How is everybody? Okay, so today we're going to be doing Etsy list 10 part 3. And let's see, what do we have today? Okay, I'm going to show the things that have sold. One of them I already packed, so I'm just going to show a picture of it. Let me open it up for you. Just a second. Okay. Where'd it go? Hang on, guys. Sorry. Okay. So it's this camel. It's a little trinket box. And I don't know if you guys can see it okay. So this sold for $8. Okay, so next item was this James Avery ring and the Lapis bracelet, purchased both by the same buyer. And this one was $35 for the ring and $20 for the bracelet, including the 20% sale discount. They came out to be $44. This is the ring. I don't know why the focus is a little off today. And this is the bracelet. Okay. So let's see what else. Oh, okay. And then we have this one here, which is the Bible verse cuff. This one sold for $16. And I'm going to turn the focus off. Okay. There we go. And I'm holding it upside down. Okay. There we go. Okay. The next one is this shell pendant, and this one sold for $16. And of course it's not going to focus now, but I'm sure you guys remember which one this is. Okay, and then we had three holiday lots purchased by the same buyer, and one brass swan. This one is for a ring. It's a ring holder. It's a cute little swan made out of brass, vintage. So this one was $16. And then we have three brooch lots. Well, actually, two of them are brooch lots. One of them is the earring lot, but they're all holiday. I'm not going to open each brooch, but I will give you an idea of what was in it. Okay, this is the first one. This one is really nice. This is one of those Lucinda pins. So this one, let's see. And this brooch lot was $10. This one, well, maybe I will show you. These are cute. Okay. This one, and this one. This is so cute. This little owl. Holiday colors. Okay. And this little bow here. Okay. I'm going to put these back. And I opened them up because I want you guys to see what's in them. Okay. And we have another holiday lot. Okay. Okay. This one. This one. This one. And then we have, look at this. It's a little drummer boy. And this one. Where are their feet? Here. Okay, and we have a lot more in here. This is so cute. Angel. And two more. Little snowman. It's a cat. It says Happy Holiday. Is that what it says? Yeah. Okay. And the other ones are smaller ones, so I'm just going to leave them in the bag. Okay, so this lot, for everything together, it was $35 for the total sale. Okay. And, okay, I'm going to have to put these all nicely back in. Okay. Okay, next we have, okay, here. Again, the same buyer purchased 4 items. One of them was the Siam sterling bracelet. This is really pretty. And it does say Siam inside. And then We got the square bracelet that I had yesterday. Remember this one? It's a really pretty bracelet. And then this Mexico turquoise cuff bracelet. This is really pretty too. There we go. It is signed in the back. And they purchased this Brighton 3-strand necklace. And it still has the tag on here. Okay, so the total for all of these was $106. Okay, and we have a few more things. Give me a second. Okay, next I had a sale again, 2 items. This one, again, it was a holiday lot. And we have the 12 Days of Christmas bracelet here. This is really cute. I don't know if you got, hopefully it'll focus. And then this one here is a Santa sleigh brooch. Focus, focus. Okay. I wonder what the trick is to get this to focus. Maybe it's my hands that's not focusing, or there we go. Okay, so this one is a brooch and pendant. So I added this really nice necklace to it, and for both of these they were total sale of $26. And I added all the sales I had from yesterday. It totaled $273, which is really good. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I have listed now. And give me a second. It's another paper. Whoa, this what sold videos are hard to do. Okay. All right. So we have number 1 here, bangle. Okay, so we have this really interesting bangle here. I've never seen one like this, and I'm going to show you why. And it has a nice chevron design, and it's very glittery. And it has a little safety latch here. And look how it opens up. And it is marked in the back. And it was marked, let's see, HAN 925. And this is a really big size. And these aren't one of those small wrist bracelets. So this one I listed for $50, and it's going to be less than that because it's going to have the 20% off on it. So this is number 1. And number 2 is this Firefly malachite brooch. And I did look these up, and I couldn't find anything for less than $75 for even the smaller ones. And why is it not focusing? I guess I have to take it back off and off the autofocus. Hang on, I'm going to do that. Give me a second. Well, that didn't help. Are you kidding? These Logitech cameras are not as good as they seem. Okay, we're going to try one more. See if it's going to focus. Maybe if it'll focus on something else. There we go. There you go. Okay. Sandy does that trick and it works every time. Okay. So it's malachite stone. It's a native, it's a brooch and pendant. It has a little loop here. And it is marked in the back, as you can see here. It looks like it says 11K, but which I don't think that's what it is. But if you look on, wrong side, here it is. Okay, so I don't know who that designer is, and I can't seem to focus. There we go. Okay, so this one I have listed for $55, since I only found the smaller ones listed for more. Okay. So next we have 925. Oh, this one here. Okay, we have this heart charm bracelet. This is really nice. I love how it closes. it just slides, the two hearts slide into each other like this. And this one I have for $30. And then we have butterfly. Okay, I'm glad I wrote this stuff down. Okay, this is a really cute butterfly pendant. There we go. And it's attached to the necklace, so it's a pendant necklace. And this one I have listed for $15. And my voice is raspy today, I don't know why. Okay, so we have, oh, and we have these rhinestone earrings. That says in the back that the original was $48. These are really nice. And they're still on the card. Very pretty. I want to give you guys a closer look. See? Okay, and I have these listed for $12. Next I have 925. Oh, okay. This one here. It's a heart and butterfly. Well, they look like butterflies, so I'm going to call it a butterfly. It's a bracelet. There we go. And the hearts have little stones in it, which I'm assuming are cubic zirconias. And this one I have listed for $25. Okay. And these are not including the 20% off. Okay, so what do we have next? Okay, here. Okay, earrings. Because I got a message saying to put earrings. Okay, so I have a lot of two here. Okay, these ones are Trifari, and these ones are Joan Rivers. They're like those little Fabergé egg looking ones. And of course it's not going to focus right now. Okay, I'm going to trick the camera again, guys. There we go. Wow, that works. Okay. And they are signed in the back. And I listed these two for $12. And next we have, oh, okay, this Juicy Couture bracelet here. And it does come with a little pouch. And it's not used. And it's not going to focus, is it? I'm going to have to trick it again. Okay, there we go. Here it is. And this is a stretchy bracelet, very nice, and it's a rose gold color. It's very pretty and shiny, and I listed this for $18. Next we have, okay, here, a Heshi and coral necklace. Come on. Okay, oh, it focused on its own this time. Okay. Okay, and this one I have listed for $20. It's really pretty. And we have the last thing here is a size 9 lapis ring. And this is very interesting. We're going to have to trick the camera again, guys. And then I'm going to, next time I use this, I'll just take it off of the autofocus. There we go. Okay. And look how interesting this looks. And this spins around in here. And very nice and big. And so it's a bigger size. It's size 9, and I have this one listed for $40. And of course it's not going to focus. Okay, and I have right now let me turn this off autofocus so I can talk. Okay, so right now I have 3 other in the description. I have 3 Etsy pages in the bottom. I have 3 Etsy shops that I linked down below in the description. Please go check them out, and please go ahead and like the stores, or like any one of the items that they have listed, because that really does help with the Etsy stores. And I hope you guys had fun watching. Thank you to everybody who subscribed. Thank you to everybody who purchased, and for all those of you who went and liked my store. I noticed every single one of them. And please send me your Etsy links again, because every time I do this, I'm going to list 3 Etsy stores in the bottom in the description, so everybody can check out your stores. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye. Bye, everyone. Have a great weekend.